Okay, here goes the beginning of, here goes the beginning of skips. And what skips are important, number one, what does skips mean? Number one, you're going to skip a finger. Now you're going to use this finger, skip a finger, and use this one. Skip a finger and use that one. It's like that, right? Or that means you also skip a key in between, like that, okay? Or you skip a letter, C, D, E, no C and E, like that, okay? Let me turn on my volume control. Good. So that's what this new section in the book is about skips. Also, on the staff, a skip is from line to line, like so. That's the first skip we'll learn about. When you go line to line, you know there's going to be a skip. That means you're going to skip a finger, or you're going to, like so, right? Or you're going to skip a letter. Okay, so now let's look over here, our first song using skips. Nothing played by the left hand. There is a repeat sign. Looks like it's all medium loud. 4/4 time. First finger on C. Third finger on E. Fifth finger on G. Skips. 1, 2, ready, go. E, G, G, E. C, C, E, E, G, E, C. Repeat. C, E, G, G, E. C, C, E, E, G, E, C. And let's sing. 1, 2, ready, go. Hey, hey, look at me. I am sipping on the keys. Yes. Hey, hey, look at me. I am playing G, E, C. Awesome job. Now, let's turn our attention to Allegro. Next page here. Really, the same information, no new notes, just building on this new subject of these skips, okay? So let's just see if we can dive in. The first thing that's a little challenging is notice we have our first finger on middle C, and we have our first finger on E. So that's kind of a new hand position, right? C and E. Okay, fine. But it looks like the middle C is held through that whole measure, held while this hand plays, okay? So let's go slow and do it. One, no words. 1, 2, ready, go, and E, G, E, G, E, C, A, C, B, and E, G, yes. Yes. E, C, A, C, B, C, Allegro.